In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to a Framer website step by step so you can let people book meetings, calls, or appointments directly from your site. This is a super useful setup if you want a cleaner booking process, fewer back and forth emails, and a more professional website experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and no-code tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Scheduling and find the event type you want to embed on your Framer site. This could be a discovery call, a consultation, or any other booking option you've already created. Next, click the three dots next to that event and choose Add to Website. Calendly will open a set of embed options. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed because that places the full booking calendar directly onto your page instead of using a pop-up or button. After choosing Inline Embed, click Continue. Calendly will generate the code you need. Now click Copy Code so the embed code is saved to your clipboard. Once that's done, switch over to your Framer project and open the page where you want Calendly to appear. This could be a contact page, a booking page, or even your home page if you want visitors to book right away. At the top of Framer, click Insert. In the search bar, look for Embed and insert the embed component onto your page. After that, go to the left panel and choose HTML if it isn't already selected. This is important because that's where you paste the Calendly embed code. Now paste the code you copied from Calendly into the embed component. Once it's in place, you may want to customize the height and width values in the code so the calendar fits nicely inside your layout. If the embed looks too small, increase the height. If it feels too wide or too narrow, adjust the width until it matches the design of your page. After making those changes, preview the page once to make sure everything loads correctly. Check that the Calendly calendar appears, the dates display properly, and the booking flow works as expected. If needed, go back and fine-tune the sizing until it looks clean and responsive. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your Framer website. Now visitors can book directly with you without leaving your site. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one.